Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you guys my updated foundation routine. This is my going out foundation. It's not like my everyday I just wear concealer. I don't really wear foundation anymore. But if I'm going out, you know, to hang out with people, I'm gonna see a lot of people, then I'll be wearing foundation, and this is exactly what I'll be doing. I'm also going to be showing you guys this little pink eye look using Huda Beauty's new Nude palette. So if you guys are interested in how I do my foundation and how I created this look, please keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming my face, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Complexion Perfection Moisturizing Makeup Base. For my foundation, I'm going to be going in with Bare Minerals Bare Pro, and this is in Cardamom. And I'm going to be mixing it with a little bit of MAC's Hyper Real Foundation, and this is the Rose Gold FX. And I'm just going to mix that up. You always want to make sure to cover your ear in case you're going to take any pictures. You don't want to have a random like white ear. And make sure to always blend it down your neck. I hate having white nails and then foundation gets on them. Nice. So before I conceal my under eyes, I'm just going to go in with Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealer in Salted Caramel. And I'm just going to dot a little bit of this on my cheek, my jaw, the sides of my nose, and my forehead. And I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush to blend this out. I'm going to start at my jaw. When you do your cheekbones, you're going to go back in with your foundation and blend it out. You just want it to be light. And then the forehead. Just always blend it out with that foundation. So for the nose, same thing. And don't worry about like your nose looking too brown because we have not concealed yet and we're about to lighten your whole life up. So next I'm going to go in with another Overachiever Concealer, and this is in Cookie Dough. Wow, this is dirty as heck. I'm also going to put a line going down my nose. And I'm going to be setting this using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Banana Bread. I'll be taking that on my Face Bake and Blend brush. And if I have any excess on my sponge, I'm just going to put it in all the places that need to be lightened. Then I'm just going to set my whole face with the same powder, and I'm just going to be using this big fluffy Morphe brush. Next I'm going to go in with some bronzer, and I'm going to be using Bare Minerals Bare Pro Contour Palette. This is the Tan to Dark palette. And I'm going to go in with Shade and Blend Mixed. I'm going to be using this fluffy Morphe Rose Gold brush. And I don't want this makeup look to be cakey, so I'm going to try and not go in too harsh and blend out. Make sure you don't have a line. Whenever you bronze your face, you don't want to have a hard line there. Otherwise, it just looks so unnatural and wrong. I mean, if you want to have the line, you can have the line. You do you. But if you're afraid of having that like really cakey makeup look, try and avoid it. And to avoid it, don't be using straight brushes. Like those ones that you just like go in. I don't have one on hand, but a brush like this. If you use a brush like this, you're going to go in on that angle and just like carve it right out, and it's just going to be a line on your face. And like that's not always cute. So if you do want like a softer bronze, just use a rounded brush. That's what I like, just personally. So now for my blush, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe's Blush Trio, and this is Pop of Coral. And I'm going to be going in with Boss. Just going to take this on my Sigma F15 Little Dirty blush brush. I'm always into like more coral blushes. I don't know why. I just think it looks more natural, even though whatever I just did was not natural. Then I just blend it out a little. Not too much. Blush is always the first thing to go. So I always put on a little bit more than I need, because by the time I'm ready to leave, it'll be at the right amount. Yeah. Anyway, so now I'm going to go in and do some eyebrows. And I'm going to be using Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in shade 6. And I'm not going to go too heavy, I just want them to be pretty natural. I'm going to use that brush that I put my foundation on with, just to kind of like clean up the edges. And if you ever find that you do your brows like a little bit too dark, I just take a little spoolie and dip it in my powder and just kind of like get a little bit and brush it through. It'll just like calm it down a little bit. So I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's 3D highlighter palette, and this one is the Bronze Sands edition, and I'm going to go in with Maldives. I'm going to take this on my JH06 brush and just kind of sweep it gently. You know what I forgot to do is contour my nose. So I'm going to quickly go back in with this darker shade on my Sigma E45 tapered brush. Curve out a little bit. I'm also going to use Maldives to highlight my nose. And I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 highlighting brush. Well, it's not even a highlighting brush, but I just call it a highlighting brush because I always use it to highlight. And I'm just going to go right on that tip and the bridge. If you think your life is just way too highlight, just go over with any powder brush and just kind of sweep that away. So for my eyes, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's new Nude palette. It is gorgeous. This is the first time I will be touching it, so I'm excited. So I'm going to start by going in with Toddy. And I'm going to take this on my JH30 brush. This is by Morphe. And just blend that into my crease. And my eyes are already set from when I set my under eye. I also did my top lid. I'm not using too much eyeshadow, so I don't really need an eyeshadow primer today. Then I'm gonna go in with Raw. And I'm gonna be taking this on my JH36 brush. Same thing, I'm just gonna deepen up the outer V and the crease. And you can go in with Toddy again. Just blend these out and get that seamless blend. So now for my eyelid, I'm going to be going in with Crave. They look so different there. I'm going to go in with my finger. I'm just going to take a little bit. And then just blend that into your outer color Raw. I'm also going to take a bit of this color of Crave and put it in my inner corner. So for my under eyes, I'm going to go in with this Morphe S20 pencil brush, and I'm just going to blend in Raw, just a little bit. I'm going to quickly go back in with Maldives and just pop that in on my brow bone. And I'm going to be going in with my JH39 pencil brush. So now I'm going to go in with a very thin liner. I'm going to do a wing, but I don't want it to be big. And I'm going to be going in with Tarte's Man-Eater liner. So for lashes today, I'm going to be going in with Blinking Beauté's new lashes, and this one is Brill. I like these because they just go on like the outside of your eye. It's not like the full lash. Looks a little bit more real. Now for mascara, I'm going to be going in with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang as always. And lastly for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with Buxom's Plumpline lip liner in Dolly Danger. And I'm going to be using Buxom's gloss in Hot Toddy. I'm going to go with the gloss. I'm just going to leave this little robe on because it's cute as heck, but this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Let me know if you guys have any questions or your thoughts on this look below in the comments, and if you guys have any requests, go ahead and leave those there too. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.